What's good, YouTube fams? How's everybody doing on this Monday? Is today Monday? Yeah, Monday evening. Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, guys. Chilling, hanging with their loved ones. Hopefully you guys had a green day in the markets today. This is Crypto and Stock Talk with Muhammad G. This fella right here. For those of you that don't know on YouTube, but now you know, I'm the guy that brings the latest in the crypto and in the stock world, guys. So hopefully your account and my account can go up and them dollar signs, guys, right? That's the whole mission, is that financial freedom. And hopefully sooner than later, I hope my account and your account gets to that $1 million hopefully sooner than later, guys. Guys, I'm not going to be too long, just long enough. We're going to be talking about none other than, as you can see in the back there, the logo, the bunny, none other than Playboy. PLBY is the ticker. That's what we're going to be talking about, guys. You know, Hugh Hefner. Who doesn't know who Playboy is, guys? Man, I didn't even know that they were on the stock market. They haven't been on the market for over 10 years, guys, and they just barely got back on the markets via a SPAC back in February. We'll get into a little bit of the financials, guys, what Wall Street analysts price target they're giving it, guys, and we'll get a little into what they're doing and so on and so forth, guys. None of this is financial advice. It's just this guy right here sharing his thoughts and opinions as we invest in the crypto and in the stock world, guys. If you guys can do me a big favor, guys, it don't cost you nothing. If you guys can just destroy that like button, maybe leave a comment down below. Oh, my tie's messed up. And think about hitting that subscription bell, guys, if you find this content helpful and useful. Hopefully it helps you out, and hopefully it's useful, guys. I do take my time out of the days to make these videos, so hopefully your account and my account can go up in them dollar signs, guys. We're all maybe on different stages of investing, but nonetheless, we're all striving for that financial freedom. I don't know about you guys, man, but I don't want to work a 9 to 5 forever. You know what I'm saying? Till I'm freaking 70 or whatever. You know what I mean? I hope to retire in 10 years or less. Hopefully you guys too. But without further ado, let's get it. Okay, let me grab my notes here, guys. So, obviously, as you see, guys, we're going to talk about Playboy. Okay, Playboy, who are they? So, for those of you that don't know, they're a dirty magazine company. They do other stuff, guys, other than just freaking Playboy magazines, right? So, Playboy Group, Inc., ticker PLBY, is an American global media and lifestyle company founded by Hugh Hefner. He used to be my role model back in the day when I was running and gunning. To oversee the Playboy magazine and related assets. It's currently headquartered in Los Angeles, California. The company is structured with 4 primary business segments: sexual wellness, style and apparel, gaming and lifestyle, and beauty and grooming. Today, Playboy Group, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the development and distribution of content, products, and high-profile events that embody both eroticism and fine art alongside wellness and apparel retailing. It is the top 20 most licensed brand globally. Guys, these guys know what they're doing. You know what I mean? They've been around for a long time. You know what I'm saying? And I just, sorry, I'm going through my notes here. I just realized that they were on the stock market. I didn't even know they were on the market, guys. I just actually found them last week. I think it was like Wednesday. And I really didn't know who it was until I actually started doing my homework, because I seen that it's been spiking up in price. And I was like, let me look more into this. And it's none other than Playboy, guys. You know what I mean? I think this is a great long-term play, guys. You know what I mean? This one might be under the... like I said, it just got on the market back in February. Just not too long ago, guys. You know what I mean? And I think it's going to do great. They gave it a freaking excellent price rating, guys. So let's get into that. It says Wall Street analysts give Playboy a strong buy and said it's a awesome long-term play. Those are their words, not mine, right? It was given a price target of $59.60 in the 12 months or less, and $221.22 in 5 years or less, right? That's for them super long-term holders, right, guys? That's, guys, if you held it for, you know, and it gets up to that 221, that's a $693 693.7% increase of whatever your initial investment is. Just think about that. If you were to put $1,000 in 5 years, me personally, I think it'll get to that $200 way before 5 years. That's just probably them being conservative, guys. But in my opinion, not that, it's just my opinion, right? Probably don't count, but anyways, nonetheless, in my opinion, guys, I think it'll reach way before 5 years. You know what I mean? It's been pumping for the past 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row, it's just been shooting up, guys. You know what I mean? I know it's just because of the name Playboy, but nonetheless, guys, they are a awesome company in what they do. Like I said, it's not just a dirty magazine company. You know what I mean? They do a bunch of other business stuff. We'll get into that here in a minute when I read a couple articles out of Seeking Alpha. Its market cap is 938 million as of now. Its 52-week high is $28.82, and that's what it's currently actually sitting at right now, guys. Is $28.82. It hit its 52-week high today, right? It was actually up it was up 19.46% today, guys. And then on the after hours, it was up another $2 and another 2.47%, right, guys? So a total of almost 23% today. You know, it's been up 5 days in a row. You know what I mean? The Christ. Man, I can't even talk today. The price has been increasing for the past 5 trading days. You know what I mean? In the last week, it's up 77%. Last month, 136%, guys. The last 3 months, 148%. Right? They've been only trading, guys, like I said, since February. I'm going to read an article out of Seeking Alpha for you guys here real quick. But like I said, guys, I think this one is great. The fundamentals are great. Like I said, they just started. But this company's been around since 1953, guys. That's when it was established. Mr. Hugh Hefner obviously knew what he was doing. You know what I mean? So many people buy products, guys. Not just dirty magazines, right? They buy so many other products, guys, off this company. You know what I mean? So I think this is a really, really good one to put on your radar, right? So it says Playboy Group stock soared 19+% for the second straight session to record intraday high. Like I said, today was their all-time high. Playboy Group is looking very sexy to investors, with shares popping as much as 19.58 intraday to a record high Monday after raising nearly 20% on Thursday before the Good Friday market holiday. Playboy shares rose to as high as a record 27.94 Monday after already rallying 19.4% on Thursday. The stock later pulled back slightly, but closed Monday at 27.93, up 19.46, and then, like I said, up another 2.47, guys, after hours, which put it at the $28.82. Playboy went public, guys, in February via SPAC deal. It sank on its first day of trading day, right, which a lot of SPACs do, right, because it's overly hyped up, right, and some they tank, right, some don't go up, some go down, right, and obviously that's what happened to Playboy. But look at it now, right, it's grinding its way up, guys, but has been mostly rising ever since. It has more than doubled in less than 2 months since. The company reported well-received earnings in late March, and investors loved CEO Ben Hoch's remarks about getting into non-fungible tokens, NFTs. I wanted to leave that out, guys. NFTs are booming right now, guys. For those that you don't know, they're non-fungible tokens. It's part to do with cryptocurrency in the crypto world via Bitcoin, Ethereum, right, guys? It's a big hype right now. Look into that. Do your own research. Don't just take what I say, guys. Always do your own research. But non-fungible tokens are the thing right now, guys. You know what I mean? And by the CEO, Mr. Ben Cones, talking about saying that they're going to get into non-fungible tokens. You know what I mean? And it's Playboy. That's a perfect combination right there, guys, to shoot this bad boy to the moon. It says so. Yeah, it says so. Remarks about getting into non-fungible tokens to sell archival Playboy content. We've been looking at the NFT space for multiple months now, and we believe the opportunity is huge long term. It is, guys. It's here to stay. A lot of people think it's a bubble. They think it's just a fad. I'm here to tell you guys, in my opinion, it is here to stay, whether people like it or not. Don't get left behind, man. It says, and then it says here, we believe the opportunity is long-term. Cohen said during the company's earnings calls with analysts, it is something that we are going to be launching here in the near term. Cancord generally also initiated the coverage of Playboy last week with the buy rating. Says Playboy offers articles, adult pictorials, and videos via Playboy.com, but Cole has been repositioning the company to focus on some $3 billion a year of Playboy branded products. Uh-oh. What happened to my screen, guys? Oh, there it is. It says he has been repositioning the company to focus on some $3 billion a year Playboy branded products that the firm serves on its own through license. Guys, these guys make $3 billion a year. You know what I mean? They don't need the stinking stock market, right, to put their name out there and advertise them, right? These guys are glengammer. I can't even say that word, right? They are a freaking mega company, guys. You know what I mean? But they're obviously on the stock market now. So, like I said, it's a win-win situation. I really think this one's going to blow up. I'm excited about this one, as you can tell, right? It says, Cole helped late Playboy founder HUGHHEFNER take the company private in 2011, then oversaw its return to the public market earlier the year via merger with a special purpose acquisition with the SPAC. However, the CEO told Seeking Alpha in an exclusive interview in February that the new Playboy wasn't the same as the old one. We are not trying to be a magazine company. That doesn't make sense to me, he said. Said Cohen, who also one of the firm's largest shareholders. Yeah, he owns, I looked it up, guys. He owns almost $30 million worth of shares, guys, of Playboy.com or PLBY ticker. What makes sense to me is being the lifestyle platform that the business originally was. So, guys, I think it's going to do great, great, great. Like I said, I'm excited, man. None of this financial advice. Go look them up and do your own research, guys. But like I keep saying, win-win situation. And they give it a price target of $58, guys. 12 months or less. I think it's going to get there really quick. And the $221, guys, I think it's going to get there really way sooner than 5 years. It says Playboy is returning to the stock market after 10 years as a privately held company, but the iconic brand looks far different than it did when it left in 2011. So it was in the market, it was on the stock market, guys, but then it left 11 years ago, and now it's finally back. We're not trying to be a magazine company. That doesn't make sense to me. Cohen said, we believe we will be one of the firm's largest shareholders, told Seeking Alpha next week. What makes sense to me is being the lifestyle platform. I was repeating what it said. It says, Playboy recently agreed to merge with the SPAC, Mountain Crest Acquisition Company, MCAC, and a SPAC deal that values the company at about $381 million. The stock will begin trading up. It says the MCAC raised some $50 million through the IPO offering in June, and its shares rose more than 30% since the IPO to close Wednesday. As for Playboy, the firm still offers articles, adult pictorials, and videos via Playboy.com, but Cole said it considers the consumers just buy $3 million a year Playboy. Man, they're repeating a lot of what they said, guys. I apologize. It says Cole, it says, despite the printed magazine dismay, 68-year-old Playboy remains one of the world's best-known brands, with 97% of the people around the globe recognizing the rabbit logo. Some 90% of customers are under 40, and women make up more than 40% of e-commerce sales. Dang, did you hear that, guys? More than 40% of the business that they get on e-commerce, guys, is women. And people 40 and under. Or that's new. That's crazy. I thought it would be older people, older pervs, you know what I mean? But it says customers are 90% of the customers are 40 and under. That is a crazy statistic. Playboy branded products sold online range from underwear to calendar to sex toys. Offline, a Chinese company operates more than 2,500 brick and mortar Playboy clothing stores in the Asian nation, while a partnership with Caesars Entertainment runs the Playboy Club London Casino. They have a casino as well, guys. The revamped Playboy operates in 4 verticals. Sexual wellness. This includes products like Playboy condoms, sex aids. The company also recently signed a $25 million deal to buy Lovers, a chain of 41 U.S. brick and mortar sexual wellness shops. I know that store. I've been there. Don't tell nobody. No, I'm joking, guys. But I have been there, you know. Yeah, so Lovers is a very big sex company store, right, guys? Well, adult store, rather. Second, style and apparel. The Playboy name is one of China's top men's fashion brands, sold through brick and mortar stores in more than 1,000 e-commerce sites. 3. Gaming/lifestyle. Beyond its London casino, Playboy has partnerships with online gaming software companies, Micro Gaming and Scientific Games Corp. The company is also working online sports gambling, while in the lifestyle arena, Playboy sells furniture via Wayfair. Beauty and grooming is the fourth one. Cole, the CEO, said Playboy has been a arbiter of beauty for 68 years and currently serves or is developing perfumes, skincare products, and cosmetic. The CEO said that simply by tapping into the growing direct-to-consumer trend, the company can get a bigger share of the existing $3 billion revenue pie for Playboy branded products while growing sales organically. We can drive the lifetime value of consumers up because we can offer them multiple different products, whereas a licensee can only offer them one product, he said. Playboy recently released earnings for 2020's third quarter and first 9 months that showed big year-over-year gains. For instance, the company reported that net revenues grew 86% year-on-year in the third quarter to $35 million, allowing Playboy to turn a $1.3 million profit versus a $3.4 million loss during the same 2019 period. So guys, obviously in 2019 they lost $3.4 million, guys. And in 2020 they made $1.3 million in profit, which is very good. And for 2021, the company is guided to more than $160 million in revenues and $40 million of EBITDA. Cohn said that when you added more than $100 million in working capital from the SPAC transition and $880 million over prior years carried forward losses, that will cut taxes. He sees big opportunities for growth ahead. The runway that's in front of us is really endless, he said. Guys, I just wanted to put this one on your radar. Playboy, it's an icon, been around since 1953. I think it's going to do great. The price that it's at right now is a great price to get in. Yes, I know it has ran up. I usually get the I jump the gun, guys, and I'm sorry. I usually get the resistance and support level prices for you guys, and I apologize. I will get those for you guys maybe tomorrow. But nonetheless, guys, it is sitting, like I said, at $28.82 right now. It's gone up twice for the past 2 days. You know what I mean? Oh, 19+% as they said on Thursday and today. Hitting all-time highs today. So, guys, expect a slight pullback, maybe a big pullback. You know what I mean, guys? But nonetheless, I think this is a great one to put on your radar. Always do your own research. This is Crypto and Stock Talk with Jaime G. Guys, if you found this video useful, please consider to like and subscribe and maybe give me a fat thumbs up. And it helps me out with the YouTube algo, guys. Nonetheless, it helps out the channel. You guys stay safe. Be blessed. Hopefully, you guys will have a green day tomorrow in the markets. Till tomorrow, peace. Hopefully, the video wasn't too long.